Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an SD card on Android. First, select an SD card that is compatible with your device, typically a micro SD card. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions. It's also wise to back up any existing data on the SD card before proceeding with formatting, as this process will erase all its contents. This preparation ensures a smooth setup. Next, power off your Android device completely before inserting the SD card. Locate the SD card slot, which is often found alongside the SIM card tray. Gently insert the card until you hear or feel a small click, indicating it's securely in place. Then, power your device back on. Your phone should prompt you to format the new SD card, so follow those on-screen instructions carefully. When setting up, you'll typically choose between portable or internal storage. Portable storage lets you easily move files like photos and videos between devices. Internal storage, also known as adoptable storage, integrates the SD card as part of your phone's main memory, allowing you to install apps directly onto it. Be aware that choosing internal storage usually requires a factory reset of your device. Once set up, you can start managing your data. Move large files such as photos, videos, and music to the SD card to free up valuable internal storage. Some applications can also be transferred, depending on your Android version and the app itself. Remember to regularly check the card's health and available space. Always safely eject the SD card through your phone settings before physically removing it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.